Oh, here we are, Saturday, April 22nd, 2022. I just saw a thing on TV for a rain barrel workshop that they're having, and it costs $50 for this rain barrel workshop. We're getting ready to do some work here. I got to take this tarp down. But here's a $50 rain barrel workshop. Here's a barrel. It sits under the roof, so the rain falls in it. Now, there's a couple fish in there, like two of them. You can't see them right now. But they eat all the mosquitoes. And there's a couple fish in here that eat all the mosquitoes, so that's another rain barrel. And there's another rain barrel over here. So there's your $50 rain barrel workshop for free. You're welcome. Here's a little aerator. Oh, look at the roots on there. A little bamboo shooting down there in the rain barrel. Rain barrel. There's another rain barrel over there. That's got... well, that's kind of a fern moss garden combo there, and there's fish in there eating mosquitoes too. So I have like all these mosquito magnets around here. That one doesn't have any fish, so there are a couple mosquitoes, but we drain that often. Rain barrel workshop, $50, free.